Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Dart SDK and a project. First, create a new Dart or Flutter app and open main. Dart. Then add a calc logic. Dart file to hold functions. You'll define add, subtract, multiply, divide with clear input validation so results stay predictable. Next, wire a basic main that calls test inputs to confirm logic works. Once done, keep UI separate from logic to make testing and maintenance simple and avoid mixing presentation with calculation code. You'll now implement the heart of the calculator, pure functions. Create add, subtract, multiply, and divide functions that accept num and return num. Make divide check for 0 and throw a meaningful exception or return null so callers can handle it. Use double. Try parse when converting user strings to numbers to avoid crashes. Then write small unit tests for edge cases like very large values, negative numbers, and 1/4 increments. This prevents surprises when you connect UI inputs later on. You're ready to assemble the UI and finalize behavior. Create input fields and operator buttons and wire them to your calc logic functions using controllers or callbacks. Update displayed results through set state or a stream. Format numbers for readability and control precision to avoid floating point surprises. Make sure input validation prevents empty or invalid strings hitting your logic. If things go wrong, log raw inputs and parse numbers. Reproduce the failing input and confirm divide by 0 is handled. This gives you a single.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.